Everyone, it's me, Danger Dennis, and we're going to do like a unboxing video of this Chucky. So on the back, see this, all this stuff. So yeah, let's open it. Look at that art line. Yeah, that's cool. Oops. And yeah, I'll take it out of the box. And yeah, okay, it's out of the box. And I am going to keep the box because the box looks cool. And yeah. Anyway, so. So right here is Chucky. Yeah, so right here is Chucky. Looks cool. Okay, next. So we got like some weapons in here. We got a lot of weapons. This is the I'll name. So this is the one from the second movie. This one's like from the third movie, I think. This one's from the second one too. By the way, I didn't dent that. That was like it, but I opened it up. Right here's the scalpel knife from the third movie. You know what? That's better. Anyway, right here's a roller from the second movie. Oh, right here's a gun from the fourth movie. Right here's a hand from the first movie, and from the second movie. So, wait, hold on. Yeah, so I took off his hands and you can put other hands on it. So yeah, I got this Chucky yesterday and that's cool. He's like taller than the Mike action figure guy. Same with Stanley. Anyone's taller than him by no. Oh great. Let's see about this Pennywise. This Pennywise is very taller than him. Anyway. So Chucky has multiple heads. I will get them out of the box right now. Okay, so we got this head, which is the normal good guy head. Oh, and if you could notice that the hair's short, but in this one, the hair's a little longer. And this one's from the third movie. Chucky's face gets sliced half, like Two-Face, which I think is very cool. It's my favorite head of Chucky. And his hair is like longer. And here's Bride of Chucky. Yeah. It's kind of weird. And yeah, if you notice, his hair gets longer each time. No, his hair is like more longer. And look, let me take off his head. No, no. Look. So yeah, his face is half missing. And over here, right here's a major box of this one. So let me open it. So I'm gonna put it together. Put Chucky in. And there we go. Pretty sure. There we go. So yeah. So yeah, you could put like any knife in his hand. Yeah. Oh man, I forgot to show you guys this one. Yeah, this is the knife from the first movie. I think it's very cool. Well, that's going to be it for today's video. Make sure you like and subscribe if you are new. And go subscribe to Galaxy Demon. And yeah, peace.